So, you know, we're hanging Christmas lights and doing our Christmas decoration stuff. And I thought I'd show you something that when I renovated the house that I put in, and you know, maybe it'll help somebody that's getting ready to renovate or build a new house. On each corner of my porch, if you can see here at the top, I put a plug, and this is a water line. This right here is a water line. Uh, I've got it right now. It's reducing pressure up in the attic, you know, for drip watering. And so normally during the summertime, you know, this line would have water in it when I charge it, and then you might can see this little folded into the greenery here is a 1/4 inch tubing, and that would be inside the pot that's hanging from that hook. You know, a porch like I have really begs to have, you know, plants hanging in these openings. But what I do here with these plugs is I power on my Christmas lights. And so this is an Insteon controller. I control it with my computer, and uh, that way I can turn the lights on and off. You know, different times of the day, that kind of thing. I can do it manually, and so you know, this has worked out well for me for Christmas lights, for the power. Plus, I also have power. You know, I have some cameras out here, and I'm providing power to those. And then the water, you know, that's the way I water my plants on the porch. Before I hooked this up, I had the line in, but before I hooked it up with the valve upstairs, solenoid operated valve, and the Insteon solenoid controller, you know, it would take me about 45 minutes to an hour just to water my plants on the porch. And so that's a big time saver. I've just got a program running, and you know, in the summertime it'll cut on 7 o'clock in the morning, cut off at 7:02, and for 2 minutes it put enough water in there to hold the plant all day. So that's something that, you know, may be beneficial to somebody. You know, it's things that I do. uh, the one regret, I guess, I should have put the plugs at other places around the house. I just put them under the porch. I probably should have put them under the eaves, out on the back corners and that kind of stuff, you know, but I didn't. And so, you know, I regret that a little bit. I could go back and do it, but it's a lot more difficult to do that after you've built. So, you know, thinking ahead and planning for things, not getting everything done really. But anyway, thanks for joining. That's what works for me mostly.